Have you ever wondered why some people work hard their entire lives and still struggle with money? Low balance, mounting bills. Forget trends. An ancient wealth formula still beats them all. The richest man in Babylon, the 100-year-old money secret that still creates millionaires. The money rules that made Babylon rich and still work today. I read The Richest Man in Babylon. Here's what everyone misses: the ancient wealth formula that beats modern money advice. Imagine discovering a 100-year-old book that teaches money principles so powerful that they still outperform most financial advice on social media. What if I told you that the secret to building wealth isn't hidden in cryptocurrency, day trading, or the latest investment trend? It's hidden in the story of a man who lived thousands of years ago in the richest city on earth. Welcome to The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. And by the end of this video, you'll know the simple wealth formula that transformed poor workers into wealthy men, and how you can use it today. The book is set in ancient Babylon, one of the wealthiest cities ever built. The author doesn't teach through complicated financial theories. Instead, he uses memorable stories. The fascinating part? The lessons are so simple that most people dismiss them. And that's exactly why most people never become wealthy. As Warren Buffett once implied through his investment philosophy, wealth is often built through simple principles applied consistently, not complex strategies. Let's break down every major chapter and uncover the hidden gold inside. Chapter 1. The Man Who Desired Gold. The story begins with two friends, Bansir, a chariot builder, and Kobi, a musician. Both work hard, both are skilled, both are broke. Sound familiar? They ask themselves a powerful question. Why do some people become rich while others struggle their entire lives? They seek advice from Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Lesson: working hard alone does not create wealth. Many people earn good money but remain financially stressed because they never learn how money works. Viral quote: your income can make you comfortable. Your habits make you wealthy. Chapter 2. The Richest Man in Babylon. Arkad reveals his first secret. When he was young, he earned money like everyone else, but he kept a portion of every coin he earned. Not 50%, not 30%, just 10%. This became the foundation of his fortune. Golden rule number 1. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before shopping, before entertainment, before everyone else. Modern application. If you earn $3,000 monthly, save $300 automatically treats savings as a mandatory bill, not an optional leftover. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. Chapter 3. The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. This chapter contains the famous 7 cures. Cure number 1. Start thy purse to fattening. Save at least 10% every month. No excuses. Cure number 2. Control thy expenditures. Many people confuse wants with needs. A higher salary often creates higher spending, not greater wealth. Money trap. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade everything, you stay broke. Cure number 3. Make thy gold multiply. Money should produce more money. Invest. Don't just save. $1 should become 2, then 4, then 8. Cure number 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. Avoid schemes. Avoid guaranteed returns. Avoid investments you don't understand. Modern translation. If someone promises 30% monthly returns, run. Cure number 5. Make thy dwelling a profitable investment. Build ownership. Reduce wasteful long-term costs. Create financial stability. Cure number 6. Ensure future income. Plan for retirement. Plan for emergencies. Plan for your family. Cure number 7. Increase thy ability to earn. The greatest investment isn't stocks, it's yourself. Skills increase income. Income increases investing power. Investing power increases wealth. The more you learn, the more you earn. Chapter 4. Meet the Goddess of Good Luck. People often think wealth comes from luck. The book disagrees. Luck favors action. Opportunities appear to everyone. Successful people act quickly. Others hesitate. Key lesson. The biggest missed opportunities usually come from indecision. Catchy line. Fortune doesn't knock twice. It rewards those who open the door the first time. Chapter 5. The 5 Laws of Gold. These are the wealth laws every investor should know. Law number 1. Gold comes gladly to those who save. Law number 2. Gold works diligently for wise owners. Invested money grows. Law number 3. Gold stays with people who seek expert advice. Learn before investing. Law number 4. Gold leaves people who invest in things they don't understand. Never invest blindly. Law number 5. Gold flees people chasing unrealistic profits. Greed destroys wealth. Modern examples: meme stock mania, get-rich-quick schemes, random crypto tips from influencers, high-risk speculation, catchphrase. If it sounds too good to be true, your wallet is the product. Chapter 6. The Gold Lender of Babylon. This chapter focuses on lending and risk. Not every borrower deserves your money. Not every opportunity deserves your capital. The lesson: evaluate risk before making financial decisions. Modern version. Before co-signing a loan, investing in a friend's startup, lending money. Ask, what is my downside? Smart investors protect capital first. Chapter 7. The Walls of Babylon. Babylon's giant walls protected its citizens. Likewise, financial security protects your future. Emergency funds, insurance, risk management. These aren't exciting, but they prevent disaster. Rich people don't just build wealth, they build protection around wealth. Chapter 8. The Camel Trader. The book teaches confidence, persistence, and action. Success often comes after repeated failures. Most people quit too soon. Wealth rewards discipline more than talent. Key takeaway: you don't need genius-level intelligence. You need consistency. The Babylon Formula. If you remember only 5 lessons from this book, remember these. Rule 1. Save at least 10% of every paycheck. Rule 2. Spend less than you earn. Rule 3. Invest consistently. Rule 4. Avoid financial scams and speculation. Rule 5. Keep improving your skills. The reason this book has survived for nearly a century is simple. Human nature hasn't changed. Technology changes. Markets change. Currencies change. But the principles of wealth remain remarkably constant. Imagine meeting yourself 10 years from now. One version spent everything. The other saved, invested, learned, and stayed disciplined. The difference between those two futures begins with a single decision. Keep part of all you earn. Because as Arkad taught thousands of years ago, a part of all you earn is yours to keep. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe for more timeless wealth lessons, and comment below. What's the first financial habit you're changing after watching this? Your future self is already waiting for the answer.